Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to grow your wealth in 2024, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 passive income ideas that can truly make a difference in your financial journey. These aren't just any ideas, they're absolute gold. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start building your passive income, step by step. Let's jump right into the first idea, dividend-paying stocks. This is a classic, but for a good reason. When you invest in dividend-paying stocks, you're essentially buying shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits regularly. Step 1. Open a brokerage account with platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fidelity. Step 2. Research and pick reliable companies with a history of paying dividends. You can use websites like Yahoo Finance or Morningstar to find this information. Step 3. Buy shares in these companies and hold on to them. Every quarter, you'll receive a dividend payment directly into your account. What's great about this is that it's like getting a paycheck just for holding on to your stocks. Reinvest those dividends to grow your earnings faster. Next up, we have real estate crowdfunding. Traditionally, real estate investing required a lot of upfront money, but not anymore. With real estate crowdfunding platforms, you can invest in properties with as little as $500. Step 1. Sign up on a platform like Fundrise or Realty Mogul. Step 2. Browse available properties and choose one that fits your investment goals. You can often see details like expected returns and the type of property. Step 3. Invest your money and then sit back as the property generates income through rent or appreciation. You'll receive your share of the profits regularly. It's a fantastic way to get started in real estate without the hassle of buying and managing property yourself. The third idea is peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms, and in return, you earn interest on your loans. Step 1. Create an account on a peer-to-peer lending site like Lending Club or Prosper. Step 2. Deposit funds into your account. These funds will be used to provide loans. Step 3. Choose borrowers to lend your money to. The platforms often rate borrowers based on their creditworthiness, which helps you assess the risk. Step 4. As the borrowers repay their loans with interest, you'll receive payments that go straight into your account. This is like being the bank, earning interest passively. Just remember to diversify your loans to reduce risk. Now, let's talk about creating and selling digital products. This could be anything from ebooks, online courses, printables, or even stock photos. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and sell them over and over again. Step 1. Identify a skill or knowledge area you're good at. What can you teach or create that others would find valuable? Step 2. Create your digital product. For example, you can use Canva to design printables or Teachable to build an online course. Step 3. List your product on platforms like Etsy for printables, Gumroad for ebooks, or Teachable for online courses. Step 4. Promote your product through social media or blogs. Once it's set up, every sale is passive income that you can earn repeatedly. Imagine getting paid while you sleep. That's the power of digital products. Last, but certainly not least, let's talk about high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, or CDs. While these might not make you rich overnight, they're a safe and steady way to grow your money with zero effort. Sit back and let your money grow. You can use this as a low-risk part of your passive income strategy. It's perfect for those who want a low-risk way to earn passive income while keeping their money accessible. And there you have it. 5 passive income ideas that are pure gold. Each of these strategies can help you build wealth over time with minimal ongoing effort. The key to success with passive income is to get started as soon as possible. The earlier you begin, the more your income can grow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content like this. Drop a comment below to let me know which idea you're most excited to try, or if you have any other great passive income ideas to share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.